I don't want this video to be long. I want it to be short and concise. So all you need to do is to watch through. And while watching this video, please, if possible, get a pen and paper. Okay, keep it beside you as you're watching this video so that you will put in some certain things I will be saying here down. All right, I received this email day before yesterday. Okay, and in this platform, this is where you learn and earn. And any tax that you do here, they will pay you. Okay, even while teaching you, I'm also going to show you my dashboard on this website. The things you're going to do here are very easy and simple. You keep learning and at the same time you are earning. And this particular task, they asked me to participate. We are going to do it together in this video. That's why I said you should just calm down, carry your paper, keep it beside you, because we are going to do it together. Okay, people has been earning on this website. I am also going to show you my available balance on the website. Okay, so this is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme website. This is where you learn and you earn. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purpose. I am not a financial advisor. You have every right to do your own research after watching this video. And my earning on this platform can never be the same with yours. I first register on this website, so you cannot compare my earning with your earning. And tasks different at times, okay? And when we are able to provide a task they want, they will keep bringing more tasks for you to do. All right, so it's strictly for educational purpose. And when you watch this video from beginning to end, you'll be able to understand how you are going to do yours. So without wasting much of your time, like I said, I don't want this video to be long. Let's dive into the business of the day. Okay, and this task is just remaining 18 days to complete. That means once you finish watching this video, the next thing you do is to click the link at that comment section and go and do your own before this task will be taken out. Just 18 days it will be taken out. All right, so that is the reason why you need to participate on it ASAP. Once you finish watching that video, the next thing you do is to click on that link on that comment section. It will bring you into this place, into this Google Play. Once it brings you into this Google Play, you go ahead and download this app. You see this app, Goodwall app, you download it and you will see how it was boldly written here, learn and earn. And as you are learning, you are earning your money on this website. I am telling you the facts, okay? As you are learning in this website, they will be paying you. All right, now I'm going to click on this open. If I click on this open, this is the first place I am going to see. Okay, I will first of all show you everything you need to know on this website before we now do the task, because the first time you will come into this website, it is very, very confusing. So pay attention so that I will show you around the environment of this website. First of all, once you download this app, the first place is going to bring you is here. And when it brings you here, you look down here, this is your home. Okay, on this home, what do you do here? You will be seeing a lot of tasks you will be doing. You will see a lot of tasks, and each of these tasks you are going to do here have its own price. Look at this particular task now, win $100 or HP laptop. A lot of people has been winning this, even in my community. Okay, now another one is this. You see a lot of tasks. Even the one you will do ASAP, you will see them here. They say win $200 or a HP laptop when you do this particular task. And look at this task now, it's remaining only 17 days for you to complete. Okay, you can also partake in it. All right, then you can also see other tasks. Look at a lot of tasks here. Okay, this task is also remaining 17 days to finish, and it's just $5 you will earn after doing this task. Okay, and look at other tasks. Like there are plenty tasks you can do in this your home. Okay, how you are going to do these tasks, I am also going to show you in this video. That is why you need to calm down and watch and see what I am doing, and I will be doing it step by step in such a way that it will not confuse you, because once you enter here, it's kind of confusing, but I'm going to simplify it for you. Okay, now that is basically everything about your home. Okay, in your home, like I say, this is where you see all the tasks that you will be doing. All right, secondly, we are going to the second button, which is this place. Okay, now I am going to click on Now on this second button, this is where they will tell you what and what AI wants you to do. Okay, this is where they will tell you AI wants you to do this, AI wants you to do that. All right, that is what these people are saying. Okay, The third button, which is that plus button is where you can take pictures direct from here. Even if you don't want to take a picture direct from here, you can as well take pictures from your phone and upload. So it is two-way thing, okay? Then you look down, the next button, all right? This is where you get messages. You will see a lot of messages I have received. If you have any particular task they want you to do, they will send it here for you. If anybody wants to communicate to you, this is where people can also communicate to you, okay? You see the message that they sent to me, all right? And people are saying hello, hi on this website to me, okay? So this is basically everything about this message box, okay? Now on the last button, which is this place, that is your account. You open it. There are a lot of things I need to show you here, so you need to pay a serious attention here, and these are the first thing you will do once you finish watching this video. Is to come here and do your verification, build your profile, okay? As you can see, the only thing you need to know, the only thing you need to do in this your profile is to do what? You are going to write things about you, your profile, and things that concerns you, okay? You see how I updated my own profile? That is how you are going to do yours, all right? Then you come to this place that says setting. This is a setting button, okay? You click it and open it. Once you open it, what you are doing here is to come and verify yourself, and you are not going to see a verification button, okay? That is why I say you should pay attention here. Look at this place that said rewards, okay? Click on this reward. Once you click on this reward, it will ask you to verify yourself, all right? Once you finish verifying yourself, you have secured your account number 1. The number 2 secure you are going to do, I'm going to also show you here. Okay, now you can also go ahead and see other opportunities. If you make a mistake on your profile, you can also edit it from here. Okay, your account and everything. If you want to change your password or do anything on this setting, is where you are going to do it. I hope I am clear, and I hope you understand. Please, if you're understanding me, tell me in the comment section. Okay, now I go back. Okay, if you look up here again, you will see the amount I have made on this particular website. Okay, so this is the tech time I might be withdrawing this money from this website. Do you get me? So what else do you do here after editing and doing everything, like editing your profile, what you do and all that? Just write a short note of what you do. You see how easy and simple I just put my own here. Okay, and any task you do on this place, where do you see it? You will see it in this your dashboard. Okay, any task you do, this is where you are going to see it. All right, now on this place, I'm going to click on this notification button. Okay, once I click on this notification button, I will scroll down and I will see that task they asked me to participate. This task was sent to me 2 days ago. It's about AI sustainability. Okay, now I am going to click on this participate. Okay, now this is the task they asked me to do. How then do I do this task? Because when you come here, you will get confused. All right, how I am going to do this task is this. First of all, I'm going to click on this show more. All right, and I'm going to read out the things they asked me to do. Okay, right now they say I should visualize AI impact on the environment. Top entries win $100. The challenge instruction, please follow their instruction very well. Create AI generated image using a tool called Microsoft Copilot. Then you choose one idea. There are 3 ideas here, which you are going to choose one and do. Remember, this platform is not a get rich quick or a Ponzi scheme. This is where you learn and earn. And I am detailing and educating you on how you can carry out your task on this website. And if I am really detailing everything the way you should understand it, please help me grow this my small channel. Subscribe to this channel. Ask me question anywhere you are confused. Like this video and share it for me. I really appreciate you all, and I will keep bringing better updates like this. And there are other better ways to earn online in this channel already. I have uploaded them. You can go ahead and check it out and take action immediately. So now I am going to select one of these tasks they asked me to do. The first one is hidden environmental cost of AI. The second one is the balance between AI's benefit and its impact on the planet, and how AI could help build a more sustainable future. So I am going to go for the third one that says how AI is going to help to build more sustainable future. Okay, then if you scroll down, you will also see the instructions that they are going to give you. When you post your image on Goodwall, include a caption that explain what you do, and this caption you are going to put, please make sure that it's up to 150 words. Okay, it must be up to 150 words. Then you look here, you are going to see your reward, and 10 top entries are going to receive 100 USDT. That is why I said once you finish watching this video, make sure that you are in our WhatsApp community, because people has been earning by the support we give ourselves. Every Saturday and Monday, we upvote for each person. You send your task link and we will help you to upvote. All right, it is very easy and simple. Now, if you look very well, you see the post they ask you to do is one image plus caption, right? Then it is open for everybody. It is open for you and I to receive this money. And you have just 18 days to complete this task. It's almost done. Look at it. And the payment is going to be on the 1st of September. Everything is all here. Look at it here. Okay. So now what are we going to do? I am going to go to your Chrome and type Microsoft Copilot to generate what they asked me to generate. Okay. And if you also need a prompt for this image, tell me in the comment section and I will drop the prompt for you. All you need to do is to make an adjustment, add one or two things so that both of us will not come and generate the same image, because when you add one or two things, you will differ it from my own. Okay. Image has been generated for us. You click here, okay, to download it, and I have clicked there and I have downloaded it. So I will scroll down after the generating of the image and I will tell Microsoft Copilot to help me write a short caption for this particular image. So it's going to help me to write the caption which you see here. Okay, now I'm going to copy this small caption because this caption is at least up to 150 words. Okay, now I will come back to Goodwall app. So what am I going to do here? Remember, I am doing this thing step by step. So what I'm going to do here is to click on this down place. Look down, you will see take part. Okay. Now I click on this take part. I will just come here. I will just come here to upload what I did. All right. Now I have come to my gallery. I'm going to upload it. All right, now I have uploaded it. What next are you going to do? You're going to write a capture of what you did. Okay, remember, you are going to do everything exactly how you were told so that you will get paid for your money. So on this place, I'm going to put my own caption, and I said I use Microsoft Copilot to show how AI can empower a greener tomorrow, where AI meets sustainability to protect our planet and inspire innovation. So I will scroll down and say as sustainable future. So I will now say as sustainable AI future. So then I click this place to show my location. All right. I click here to show my location, which is Lagos. Then I will click on the post. Okay, now I have clicked on the post. They say checkout. Checkout means they send you a message that you have accomplished this particular task. There are other tasks you can do once you come to this website. A lot of simple tasks you can do. There are tasks that can pay you $5. There are tasks that can pay you $1. Let me also show, in case you did not get a message about this task or you do not see this task I did now, let me also show you how you can do other tasks in this platform and you will get paid for it. Okay, this is very simple and easy for you to do tasks here. So I am going to use this one to show you as an example, and after showing you this example, I am also going to do this particular task. Once you finish watching this video, you can as well do these tasks I am showing you in here now, because these other ones I finished doing, they might not send a message for you because you have not been using the website. Okay, and another thing is this, the task is always closing up, so you can also partake in this one, and this one is also just remaining 17 days for it to finish. So that is why immediately you finish watching this video, try as much as you can to partake on this clean energy challenge. So how do you go about this clean energy challenge? Come here and click on this more, show more. Okay, you click on this show more. Now see what they ask you to do, and I'm going to give you a little tips on how you can do it. You look up here, you will see, now that you know more about clean energy, we would like to hear from you. Record a 30 to 60-second video in any language, added English captions, and answer these 3 questions. What this means is that if you're a Yoruba, if you're Igbo, if you're Hausa, if anywhere you are in the world, you can use your own language. But after doing the video, you are going to use English for your caption. You see how I added capture in the other video. Okay, that is how you are going to do it, but I think you should use English to do this video and also add your caption in English. It's very important. Okay, now what clean energy changes would you like to see in your community? Which clean energy career interests you most? If you could tell your government one thing about energy, what could it be? So now I'm going to make this easier for you. All you need to do is this. You can screenshot this task, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you 30 to 60 seconds words you can say about these 3 things. Okay, then set your camera and talk. Look, see people, all these people you are seeing here, you see all of them, they all set camera and they talk for 30 to 60 seconds. Very easy and simple. So once you finish recording that video, okay, all you need to do is to upload it. Now look down, and if you look here, they says post your video with Ash Clean Energy Challenge. 300 of you could earn $5. That means about 300 people are going to earn $5 each on this particular task. And the first person or the second person, about 25 people that get the highest upvote, are going to earn $20 each. That is the reason why you should be in our WhatsApp group. Even if I drop the link and it was not able, or you are not able to click on it, you can copy the Telegram link or the WhatsApp link, paste it on your WhatsApp and join any of the group, because every Monday and Saturday, like I said, we upvote for each other. Okay, then after reading all these things, okay, the next thing you do is to go ahead and record that video, just 30 to 60 seconds. Don't allow it to pass like that. Okay, then after you finish recording that video, okay, come here and click on take part. Once you click on take part, it will tell you to upload. You upload that video. Do not forget to put your caption and also the hashtag. The hashtag said #Clean Energy Challenge, which is this place. Okay, this is #Clean Energy Challenge. You created a video on the energy and how the government could help the community. After you have finished doing the video, okay, remember that ChatGPT help you. The next thing, you tell ChatGPT to give you a short caption for it. You copy that caption. Then after you copy that caption, then once you bring up that video, the next thing you do is this, is to you paste that caption ChatGPT give you. Make sure it is up to 150 words or more than 150 words. Then under it, you now put #Clean Energy Challenge. That is what you are going to put there. Okay, so that is basically how you can go about this task. Please, once you finish watching this video, click the link there, download the app and do this task. Do not forget to do your verification. I told you how you are going to do your verification. Click on that reward and do your verification, and you see how I was able to detail everything. You can also check my other videos on how to make money online. Please help me grow this account by subscribing to this channel and also sharing my videos, and as well commenting and asking me questions. And if you need a prompt on how I was able to generate that image, also tell me in the comment section and I will drop it for you. Thank you all for your great support. I really appreciate it.